What's cracking, y'all, man? Welcome back, man. Yesterday I was having a problem with my I don't know exactly what it was, but let me explain to you. I got in the car, started my car, went to turn the heat on. At first I had like it was a little hesitation on turning this to turn it up to high. And of course I turned the vent on. And after a while I realized that it wasn't any air being blown out of the actual vents. I haven't tried the top because, you know, when you're in the car it's cold. You want these, you know, the vent air to hit you or whatnot. But when I put my hand close to the vent, I can feel the heat being emitted. But I guess I figured a blower had probably went out. So I messed with it. I drove around for a couple of minutes. So about like 15 minutes, and it kicked in. Well, it wasn't blowing at max when I had it on high. It wasn't blowing as strong as it usually do. It emitted some type of air, like the blower kind of kicked in, you know, halfway. So I thought I'd blown a fuse, or it was some type of wiring problem that I was having, or a blower went out. But I checked my guy Panzer platform. That guy's very informative. So if you have any Crown Victoria problems, or if you want any tips on running your thing, running that monster, that Crown Victoria that is, or that Mercury, or any type of Panther platform car, you go check out Panzer platform. Now when it comes to the blower settings, when you get out the car, this is the no-no. This is the no-no. Maybe your problem will dissolve and it'll fix itself, as these Crown Victorias usually do. But what you don't want to do is leave it on off. You leave it on off, your car can't breathe, pretty much, according to the manual. You leave it on max air. I don't know if your car can't breathe on that, but it says not to leave it on max air and not to leave it in off. Okay, so you either want to have it on vent, floor, mix, or front window defrost. I'm going to leave mine on front window defrost. And as far as the blower speed, I don't know what the manual said about that, or what Panzer suggested the manual said to do about that. I don't remember, so I'm just going to leave it on high. But for a fact, I remember, don't leave it on off for max AC. And you guys probably solve the problem will probably be solved in a couple of days, or whatever the case may be, when the mechanics I guess goes back into normal play. So if you guys are having that problem where your air is not being blown out of the vents, this is probably save you a couple of dollars. As far as diagnostic tests and things of that nature, and going to a greedy mechanic, which you guys are familiar with, they'll tell you, oh, your heat blower unit is went out, when they really know the problem is something that's minor. But hey, they got to get their money, just like same reason you go to work. They got to get paid and they got to keep their shop running, so they pull those little scams or whatnot. But maybe, hopefully, this will educate you guys and not pretty much spending unnecessary bread. So like I said, if you want a detailed analysis on the situation and you want to hear more in-depth dialogue as far as the symptoms of this problem, go to Panzer platform. Let's go check it out. If you're having those problems, it'll save you money. Keep money in your pocket, and you won't have to spend that unnecessary bread to get ahead. So, all right, guys. You guys stay blessed, stress-free, because that's the way it be around me when you in the Crown.
I mean, man, I love you, bro.
Yeah.